guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and
leave a thumbs up.
Leave a thumbs up. We have a hot rock, and if you guys don't know what that is, so it's basically like a oven, but it's a rock. So you could like.
It's a really hot rock.
Like how much degrees?
We have it at 550 degrees.
Wait, so this is like the warmer up or something?
No, the oven. I'll put it in the oven so that way it can get really hot.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
So, you can put little food on there. My father made some fries.
Yep, we have some homemade fries. Oops. Okay.
So I just made some shrimp in my steak. Let me try it.
Try it. I think it's amazing.
That's hot. Let me try my shrimp because that was put on first. That's so good.
It really is, right?
Mhm.
Mm.
Thumbs up.
Let's try this shrimp. Look at this, guys. Woo! Nice little glaze. Some bourbon.
Some bourbon.
Oh my God. This shrimp, right, baby?
Yeah. I think I'm the best one to make steak.
I went to a restaurant and tried this out for the first time, and I was blown away. So
You have tried this before?
ended up finding one on Amazon. Yeah. And I had to have one for the house. So being the princess, could have a hot rock night. Let's put that in the middle, baby, so it cooks a little bit faster. Okay, that's where we flipped.
Why are you whispering?
I'm focused. That's the new one.
He always whispers when he focused when he's painting. Oh, he's actually a painter. I've never said that before on my channel.
You sure?
Yeah, and I've never brought my friends on my channel.
Look at that cup. Oh. Cut to perfection, baby. Me and my daughter love doing things like this. We love being home.
And we love making stuff.
Mm-hmm. Right? Creating, cooking, learning.
My favorite is making.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be right back.